up, guys? What's up? Welcome to another episode of Food Truck Foodies. I'm G.
I'm Dom.
And today we're out here at the Point Park because you guys have been asking for us to be out here, so we finally came out here for a takeover. And yeah, we're gonna get some good food today. Before we get about food, Dom, you know what my favorite part of New York is?
All the people.
Hell no, Texas is way better.
New York, the New York Yankees.
Nah, man, Rangers all day. Or Astros. No, it's the food. So we came out here today to the New York Grill Express. They have cheesesteaks, falafels, gyros, and that rhymes with yos. Some ziti sauce, and we're going to take it out and see what it tastes like. Some ziti there. So I hope you're hungry, because I'm hungry. So let's go check it out, shall we? What's up, guys? So the food finally got here, and as you can see, we got a nice buffet here today. Let's go ahead and start with the one I've been wanting to try here. We're gonna try the chicken kebab here.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
Really good.
Very moist.
And it has a nice kick to it. I'm gonna dip it to the sauce because I forgot about it. So, cheers.
Got a smoky taste.
Yeah, the ziti sauce has a very smoky taste to it. It's really good. So let's go to the shikishimi. So I'll take this one down to the other one. Chami. So it has ziti sauce on top. This is ground, so it's the same chicken, just grounded up. So,
it's supposed to be warm. Wow, it's a different taste.
I would still say this is a little bit hotter, but this is a little bit more flavorful.
Definitely a lot of flavor.
With the different techniques, the different texture on it is really good. Myself, now dipping into the one that I'm not a fan of. Not because it's bad or anything. It's just I have a bad experience with falafels. I don't like falafels. Full disclaimer. So please ignore my face as we try this. But we're gonna dip to the falafel here. Smallest little falafel we got here. Alright. So falafel, ziti sauce.
Meet your maker.
Here. Not bad.
Yeah, the tzatziki sauce is pretty good. And the falafel is not that bad either.
Should we jump into the chili or should we go and jump into the gyro? Well,
the gyro, it's a mess. I'm sorry. Here.
Okay, so one thing we learned,
get real nice.
Don't cut this. You gotta eat it whole. It all just kind of collapses apart.
Yeah.
It's a good thing, but I'm gonna try it here. Cheers, guys. We're good.
Right, you can eat this.
So that leaves one last left. The more New York thing.
But it's in Philly. How's it more New York?
The more, I guess, standard New York thing most people think of are sandwiches.
Yeah.
Which is why we left the Philly for last.
You want to cut this?
Fries are seasoned pretty good, but you got your cheese whiz, you got your bell peppers, you got your onions. So let's jump to this Philly. My Dom's cutting here.
Go ahead, jump in here.
Damn. This thing just tastes like I beat the New England Patriots in Super Bowl.
Well, definitely it does taste like New York street food.
So, to finish up the episode, you know, we couldn't just do food without dessert. So,
right.
The one thing we don't have to cut are these baklava's.
Finally, something that's already pre-cut.
So, as you can see here, in the beautiful details.
Flaky.
It's flaky, it's crispy,
layered,
crunchy, peanut buttery, Reese's cup.
Good.
So cheers.
So sweet.
I still got this amazing food to eat, so we're gonna go ahead and eat this, and we'll be back to wrap up the show. So I'll be right back. So it says here that Goofy's not a dog. It says that he's actually a bull. That's why he can talk.
Well, it shows here that Minnie is putting Pluto up for adoption.
Oh, hey guys.
Hey.
So food was delicious. Which is
so good.
Catching up on our reading,
Yeah.
drinking a coffee
The
here.
gossip.
But it was great. The Philly cheesesteak was awesome. One of the best Philly cheesesteaks I've had.
The gyro though.
The gyro was bomb. The falafel was really good too. Did a really good job of blending all the flavors together, so not one was overpowering than the other.
Definitely.
And for me not liking falafels, that's saying a lot.
That does.
So definitely come out here. They're at the Park Point on Boerne Stage Rd. So definitely come out and support local like we always recommend. There's more food trucks as well, which we'll be covering soon. So with that being said, I got to get back to this book because I got to find out if they're going to put Pluto down or not. So with that being said, I'm G.
I'm Doc.
And remember, Food Truck Foodies, catch you in the streets.